You can do some vegan peanut butter.
I don't know any non-vegan peanut butter, but is there non-vegan peanut butter?
I go to the organic store and I say, can I get some vegan peanut butter? And they give me the peanut butter, so I've been thinking it's vegan this whole time.
Peanut butter is from the ground. Peanuts in general. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and today we're gonna make a perfect treat for Valentine's Day or any time of the year. We're gonna be doing cake in a mug. Let's get started.
Alright guys, even though it's Singles Awareness Month, I'm still gonna call over my friend Siergio to help me make these recipes.
Let's get it started. Got all the ingredients laid out. Unfortunately, I will be the one trying the chocolate cake because
I'm the only person in the world allergic to chocolate.
Ladies, I don't know. So we're gonna start off with 3 tablespoons flour. I've already put 2 in mine. And because he's not making chocolate, he's gonna do 4. Alright, now you can leave this as is, guys, but we're gonna add some toppings. He's gonna do pecans and cinnamon to his vanilla cake, and I am going to do chocolate chips. My tablespoon of chocolate chips. You don't gotta measure cinnamon. Sprinkle that thing in there. There you go. Oh, okay. Y'all don't smell the cinnamon though. Now this is going in the microwave for 1 minute. 1 minute.
So while hers cooking, I'll show you how you do this thing.
Yo. I said we whipping in the kitchen. A microwave minute. Chocolate cake, vanilla cake. What about it in it? That didn't rhyme. I don't care. Y'all don't pay me because I'm not a millionaire. I do it for fun. I do it for free. I do it because I'm just me. Yo, no, but for real, y'all. Guess what? There's no egg in this. And I won't get sick. So watch it. Should I slow motion it?
Yes, lick that thing.
Ooh! This is good. That little bounce on my spoon. I cannot.
It tastes real good though. It's real flavor.
I'm gonna taste your, I'm gonna get a clean spoon. I'm gonna taste yours.
Yeah, it tastes real flavor.
The track that y'all listen to right here on the screen. Go support, yes.
Yeah, this reminds me of a brownie.
It looks so good. This is so indulgent. I don't know if it's chocolate on my teeth. Oh.
Mine tastes like a light-skinned brownie.
Is that called a blondie?
Mine tastes very healthy.
They don't want to hear that. His is definitely lighter than mine. I wouldn't say healthy, but it's lighter. Like,
yeah,
right,
it feels like nothing almost, but like something that like if you really want, like you gotta taste something sweet.
Right, but not like
it's not gonna wait on you.
Look, just look at the difference. Indulgent.
Humble.
Okay, I'm gonna do one more bite of mine because I'm a sneaky vegan. Okay guys, that was so good. We wanna do another round. Now off camera, Siergio added some fresh coconut to his. He said it was delicious. I tried the same thing.
Lit.
I didn't taste it. Mine is so chocolate indulgent that these sweetened coconut flakes made no difference. So just in case you guys want to top it off with his cake, these set it off according to him.
I promise you, it was so good. It was so tasty and so delicious.
Anyway, guys, take 2. We're gonna make more cakes because we're skinny.
Something you should let me know. Don't be afraid to tell me no. Cause I ain't here to judge ya. I just gotta let you know. It's just you and me, baby.
In mine, I have cookies and cream, and yours is?
Mine is peanut butter joy.
Mine reminds me of what his was first, but with the Oreo. And it's not a heavy Oreo taste. It's actually, it's lighter than the chocolate chips. I like this much better, actually.
Mine tastes just like mine before, but creamier.
Oh, because of the...
It don't taste like peanut butter really. It tastes the hint of it, but it tastes more creamier. That was my favorite. That's my favorite.
I'm gonna be in the gym all day tomorrow. I like them both. I'm just gonna be... I mean, we showed you 4 great cakes today in a mug, 1 minute in the microwave. You could not beat it. Like right now, like we could Netflix and chill.
What should we watch?
That was hot. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Peace.
I'm new to this vegan life, just to let y'all know, because she helped me, you know, change over from, you know, my vegetarianism. So I've been trying the vegan wave and I feel good. I look good.
Yay, yay. Tell them the only downfall.
The only bad part is I'm a musician, so I'm always on the go. So it's really, really hard to find places that cater to people like me, you know, vegans. So the preparation is key.
Preparation is definitely key. It sucks, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Even me, I travel, I ain't famous yet, but just going on vacation with family and friends, I just had to either eat before, and it sucks. You want to have the bad food that your people are eating, but it's just the only downfall. Plus, you know why you're doing it, whether it's for health, the environment, or the animals. Just always keep in mind why you're doing it and try to stay focused. But we get it. Our heart goes out to y'all who have to eat fries and salad every vacation. Okay?
Woo.
Just.
We were just talking about that. Fries is just not enough sometimes.
If any of my subscribers or viewers know any vegan places in New Orleans, that's where I'm going next. Please listen down below in the comments, because your girl need a little guidance. Please, I just don't want to have Cajun fries the whole trip.